Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna check the washer that was not spinning. It was doing all the cycles like taking water and then it was agitating, washing, and when it comes to the spin cycle it was like spinning, not spinning and skipping it, and it was drain and done. So if your washing machine doing that, I already checked my washer last week. So the shift actuator is broken. I will show you when I take apart. So first you need to diagnose that. Of course, I checked the drive belt and the motor and there's a gearbox. All of them is good condition, turning nice. So finally I checked that shift actuator. Usually those breaks like all the time. So let's remove the washer and tip it over and let's fix it. Remove the washer. Make sure you unplug your washer and also turn off the water and remove the hoses.
I'm going to take it over. Slowly, like that.
This is the new part came, and we're gonna remove the broken one. So to do that, so first thing I checked is the remove this, and let me show you that. You need to remove this plastic cover first. There is two bolts, one here, one the other side. And there is one on the other side right here. And this comes off. Set aside. Yeah, last week I checked belt, motor, and then I removed these screws and then removed that gearbox. Everything is looking good. So, and then when I touched that last week, after I removed this, you remove this handle right from here. There's this hook goes into this hole. So when I removed that, that was like doing like this, flops, swings, like the new one I'm gonna show you now. The new one is here, and as you see, it's not even moving. That's how it's supposed to be. The power gonna move this, so it's gonna activate that up, like up and down this handle, so the spinning cycle gonna start when that thing is turning. So let's install. To remove the old one, you need to unplug it first from here. There is a little tab, you can see. This is there is a little tab underneath, like a pull it, like press and pull. It's gonna come. You need to press this little clip and it's gonna come down. To remove that, there is two screws, one here, green, and one right here. So let's remove it. see 2 screws. Goes one here, one here. We remove the old one. As you see, the old one is broken, like shouldn't do this. So the new one is here, doesn't move. So to install the new one, that tool handle, like a sensor, needs to go this hole, and that little pin, you see, it's gonna go right here somewhere. Like you're gonna do this and like that. As you see, this hook needs to go into that hole like this, so that can activate. Okay, now I'm gonna install the screw. And then this screw goes right here. Okay, and then everything installed. This is inside that hook, so all is good. What's gonna happen is when this activated, it's gonna pull down, so this gearbox gonna engage with the other gear, and then it's gonna start spinning the top. Once this release this up or down, it's gonna come back inside, and it's not gonna spin the tub anymore. It's just gonna agitate. And then install your cover back on. Before you install cover, make sure you plug it in. It plugs goes exactly the same. Plug it in, and then we're gonna install this cover back on. It's gonna be like this. And the other one is gonna be right here. This one. Okay. And that's all. Now we're gonna put the washer back, and we're gonna install the hoses and turn the water on, and then we're gonna plug it in and test it.
to the blue one. As you see. You need to use channel light to do that. I don't have channels. Turn the water on. Water on. And now you're going to plug it in. And that's it. Now I'm going to bring some coins.
Alright everybody, after I install everything and started the washer, I didn't want to wait on the video. So it is done already. So it's done and it's spent. The clothes are not soak and wet anymore. It's very good. So now I'm gonna put in dryer to dry. Thank you for watching my videos and please subscribe my channel and let me know if you have any question. Thank you.